New Year's resolutions are dead. Instead of a resolution or a goal, how about focusing on consistency instead? What is a practice that you can be working towards every single day in order to get where you want to be? You don't have to accomplish monumental tasks every day, but doing meaningful work that you're passionate about a little every day can make all the difference in your acting career. Let's talk about it. Hey, what is good, honey bunch? Happy New Year. It is officially 2023 and I've got a little new doohickey here. I'm not sure if you can tell what it is, but if you can tell what it is, leave a comment down below. I hope your holiday was restful, peaceful, and full of yummy food. If you're new here, my name is Nico Alston-Smith and I am a successful actress in Los Angeles. I started out like most people without knowing anything, and I've grown quite tremendously in my time as an actor. Now I want to pass along all of the information, lessons, and experiences that I've had to you. So if all that sounds good to you, let's continue on this journey together. We know that pilot season is among us. And if you don't know what pilot season is or how to navigate it, please be sure to check out this video up above as it goes into a deep dive of what pilot season is. But because pilot season isn't fully in full-fledged swing yet, we're still at the very beginning, it's the perfect time to prepare to become a working actor. Here's how. Update or get new materials. I'm talking about your headshot, your resume, your reel, your website, your social media presence. It should all get a once-over to make sure that it's in alignment with your brand or what you're trying to say to people who don't know you yet. Maybe your look has completely changed, so you need new headshots. Maybe you forgot to update your resume with your newest co-star, theater credit, or guest star. Maybe you're so new to the industry and don't even know that you can create a resume even with 0 credits. Maybe you have good headshots, but they're not getting you seen in the way that you want to be. Maybe you have some not so flattering photos of yourself on social media that need to be archived. Go through everything that you have available to you that people in the industry will see so that you can make sure what you're presenting and putting out there is in alignment with what your brand is and what you're trying to say and who you really are, and to make sure that everything you put online is also in alignment with the commitments that you made to yourself this year. Now is the time. Number 2, check to make sure your casting sites are up to date. This includes IMDb Pro, Actors Access, casting networks, and any other websites you use to obtain auditions, though I do highly recommend the ones that I listed among others in this video here. If you've updated your resume with a new credit, make sure that it's also reflected on the casting site under your profile. Make sure your headshot is up to date as well. And maybe go through your reels and clips on this website just to make sure that the clips and reels still represent you and it's work that you're proud of. And if you don't have any reels or clips or anything that you're proud of anymore, you can always make some yourself by taping a monologue or writing a scene for yourself or transcribing a scene from a show that you would love to be on that is completely on brand for you and putting that on tape with a reader as if it were a self-tape. Number 3, I'd recommend making a list of people that you want to work with this year and put Google alerts on them. Actors, directors, producers, casting directors, studios, publicists, agents, managers, etc. For me, I have A24 and Blumhouse on my list, as well as Law Roach, who's a stylist that I would love to work with. I'd say about 3 to 5 people for each category. Number 4, write in your calendar or put the dates in your phone of all of the award seasons, like the DGA, which is the Directors Guild of America Awards, or the WGA, which is the Writers Guild of America Awards, or the PGA, which is the Producers Guild of America Awards, as well as the Artios Awards, which is for casting directors, or the Spirit Awards, which is for indie films, and of course, the Oscars. This way, if there's anybody that you're tracking that is nominated for any of these awards, or even if they win any of these awards, you'll be able to reach out to them via social media or email to congratulate them. You can also make a list of any local film festivals that are in your area and try to attend them so that you can vibe with all of people in your industry that are near you. Number 5, think bigger than just on-camera theatrical. Before you turn this video off, let me just say, we are actors. Yes, but we also are artists and creative beings. Don't limit yourself to just TV or just film or only doing commercials, which I would recommend everybody trying commercials because they're What are some other artistic activities that you love that could feed your soul and also supplement your income? Maybe voice acting, doing audiobooks, painting, interior design, modeling. You could be a hand model. You don't have to be a fashion model. You could do hand modeling, eye modeling, There's like leg modeling. There's a whole thing. Writing, producing, dancing, directing, creating your own content. We know that we all want to be consistently working and getting paid as an artist and getting paid to do the work we love, but it doesn't always have to be on a TV show or in a film. Perhaps you're a brilliant model or a voice actor. You never know. And I believe you're doing a disservice to yourself by not at least trying it out. So don't forget, pilot season is among us. Are you prepared? Thank you all for sticking around until the very, very end. You can check out my Amazon storefront, which is linked down below. Some of you guys have requested that I make a storefront for all of the things that I recommend, the products that I recommend, anything that's my aesthetic. So go ahead and check that out, linked down below. And I will see you all in a new video Thursday after next. Bye.